Hello, welcome to all of you. Myself Chetan Singh. We are discussing about ninth mathematics. Chapter first, number system. We have learned about the number system at number line, how to represent various type of numbers on it. You well known that in number line can be represent as here is 0 and on right side of 0 that is 1 2 3 and left side of 0 that is -1 -2 and -3. The right side of the numbers that you write on number line, that is 1 2 3 4 and so on, that is countable numbers. These numbers are called natural number. The collection of these numbers are called natural number. First of all, we know that natural numbers. What are natural numbers? The numbers that we count, such as 1 2 3, these are called natural numbers. It is denoted by n, capital N, and it is 1 2 3 4 and so on. This is your natural numbers. If we include 0 in natural number, that is called whole number and it is denoted by W, whole number. Whole, NUM, whole numbers. Whole numbers, that is denoted by W. And what is W? In natural number you include 0. If we include 0 in 1 2 3 4 and so on, that is called whole number and it is denoted by W. If we include your minus numbers, that is -1 -2 -3, in your whole number, then it is called integer and it is denoted by Z, integers. Integers, and it is denoted by Z. Z means your all negative numbers, that is your -4 -3 -2 -1 0 1 2 3 and so on. Means your all positive numbers 0 and all your negative numbers, it is called your integers. You well known that natural number, it is denoted by N, whole number, it is denoted by W, integers, and it is denoted by Z. Now we discuss that in your natural number, such as 1 and 2 or 0 and 1 or 2 or 3, there are many numbers between 1 and 2, such as there are many numbers such as 0 and 1. 0 and 1, between 0 and 1 you can find 1 by 2. Between 0 and 1, you can find 1 by 2, such as 0 plus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. Similarly, you can find 0 and 1 by 2. 0 and 1 by 2. You may also find 1 by 4, means 0 plus 1 by 2 divided 2, that is 1 by 4. Means there are many numbers between these natural numbers 0, 1 or 1, 2. What are these numbers? These numbers such as 1 by 2, 3 by 4, and here you can write as minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 4, minus 2005 by 2006, such as various collection of rational numbers. These are called rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Now we are discussing about rational number. What are rational number? Rational numbers. We denoted it by Q. Rational number is denoted by Q. Rational comes from the word ratio. Rational, it is comes from ratio. Ratio. And Q from quotient. Q, it is denoted by Q, and it is take from quotient, and rational, it is ratio. Ratio, what is ratio? On this, we can denote it as such as 1 by 2, 3 by 4, that is the ratio of 1 and 2, that is ratio of 3 and 4. If we write these numbers as R and these numerator numbers denoted as P and these denominator numbers denoted as Q, then we can write as R equals to be P by Q, and P and Q are integers, that is elements of Z, and Q is not equals to be 0. This is the definition of rational number. What is rational number? In number R called a rational number, that is definition of rational number. In number R is called a rational number if it can be written in the form, it can be written in the form P by Q. Here P by Q, where P and Q are integers and q is not equals to be 0. That is called rational number. Such as, for example, minus 25. Minus 25 is a rational number because minus 25 can be written as minus 25 by 1. Here p is minus 25 and q is 1. Here we well known that q is not equals to be 0, that is here 1 is not equals to be 0. We can also write as 1 by 2. 1 by 2, that is also rational number. 1 by 2 can be written as 2 by 4, can be also written as 10 by 20, can be also written as 25 by 50. But here this is the ratio same of these rational numbers. Here no any common numbers. Here common number is 2, here common number is 5, here common number is 25. Here is no common numbers. p and q are co-prime numbers. This is called 1 by 2, that is rational number. We can also discuss these numbers with some examples. In your textbook, example first. Look in your textbook on example first. What is example first? Are the following statement true or false? Example first. Are the following statements true or false? Give reason for your answer. First, every whole number is a natural number. Every whole number is a natural number. Every whole number is natural number. We know that the whole number is 0 and n, means 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. 1, 2, 3 and so on, that is natural number. Every whole number is a natural number, but in natural number 0 is not included. That is false. This statement is false because 0 is a whole number. 0 is a whole number but not a natural number. Second, every integer is a rational number. Every integer is a rational number. Every integer is a rational number. That is true because the integers, that is z, can be expressed in the form z by 1. So it is rational number, means that is true because every integers z can be expressed in the form z by 1, and so it is a rational number, and so it is rational numbers. Your third is every rational number is an integer. Every rational number is an integer. Every rational number is an integer. That is false, because all rational number is not an integer, such as because every rational number, let us take a rational number 3 by 5. The statement every rational number is an integer, it is false, because let us take a rational number 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is a rational number, but it is not an integer. Is not an integer. Next example second. In example second, we discuss about the rational numbers between given two numbers. Now we are coming in example second. Example second. What is your example second? Find 5 rational number between 1 and 2. Find 5 rational number. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Solution. We can find it with two methods. Method first. In first method, let us take r equals to be 1, first number, and s equals to be 2, your second number. We find first rational number on doing r plus s by 2, means on adding first and second number divided by 2, means 1 plus 2 divided by 2, that is 3 by 2. Now in your second step, your first number is 1 r, and your last second number is 3 by 2 whole divided by 2, that is 2 and 2 plus 3 by 2 whole divided by 2, 2 comes here, and you find 5 by 2 to the 4, that is your second rational number is 5 by 4. you can also find your first number is 1 and your last second number is 5 by 4 whole divided by 2. 4 1 ja 4. 4 plus 5 divided by 4 whole divided by 2. 2 comes here and you find 9 by 8. 9 by 8. Fourth number is 1 plus your last number is 9 by 8 whole divided by 2. 8 ones are 8 plus 9 by 8 whole divided by 2. 9 8 17. 2 comes here, that is 16. Your fifth rational number is 1 plus your fourth last rational number is 17 by 16 whole divided by 2. 16 ones are 16 plus 17 divided 16 whole divided by 2, that is 33 by 32. These are your numbers between 1 and 2 and these are your rational numbers. 3 by 2, 5 by 4, 9 by 8, 17 by 6, 33 by 32. Means you can find 1 and 2 on doing 1 plus 2 by 2 and you will find 3 by 2. You can find 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 or 3 by 2 plus 2 by 2 also here. Then you can find your next rational number. In your second method, that is very easy, your second method. Now we are discussing about your second method. Method second. We have to find 5 rational numbers. What we have to find? 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Then the denominator will be, we have to 5 rational numbers, denominator will be 5 plus 1, that is 6. This is method. Your first number is 1. 1 can be written as 1 by 1. On multiply this denominator, you can find 1 into 6 by 1 into 6, that is 6 by 6. And your next number is 2. 2 can be written as 2 by 1. On multiplying 6 on numerator and denominator 2, you find 12 by 6. Now your first number is 1 and your last number is 2. We have to find 5 rational numbers between these. Ones means 6 by 6. Ones means 6 by 6, that is 6 by 6. And 2 means, that is 12 by 6. Then we can write in these 6 by 6 and 12 by 6, we have find 5 rational numbers such as 6 by 6, next your 7 by 6, next is your 8 by 6, your next is 9 by 6, next 10 by 6, your next is 11 by 6, and next is your 2, that is 12 by 6. We can write is as, that is 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. The 5 rational number between 1 and 2, that is your first is 7 by 6, your second is 4 by 3, your third is 3 by 2, next 5 by 3, and last fifth is your 11 by 6. Now we are discussing the exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. Your question number first is 0 a rational number? Your question first is 0 a rational number? And you can write it in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equals to be 0. Is 0 a rational number? Yes, 0 is a rational number. Yes, 0 is rational number. 0 is a rational number. Why 0 is a rational number? Because 0 can be denoted as 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, and so on, etc. Here you can take as denominator q. Q can be taken as 1, 2, 3, 4, and also your negative numbers too, such as and 0 by -1 or 0 by -2 or 0 by -3 and so on. Here we can see that q, that is your 1 2 3 or -1 -2 or -3, q is not equals to be 0. Therefore we can say that 0 is a rational number. Your second is find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Find 6 rational number between 3 and 4. We have to discussion about two methods, 3 and 4. Your first is 3 and your second is 4. What we have to find? We have to find 6 rational number. We have to find 6 rational numbers. That is, in your second method, your denominator will be denominator is your 6 and plus 1. 6 plus 1, that is your 7. Then 3 can be written as 3 by 1. This can be written as 3 into 7 by 1 into 7, that is 21 by 7. And 4 can be written as 4 equals to be 4 by 1. On multiplying 7, 4 into 7 by 1 into 7, that is 28 by 7. Your first number, you can write it as 3, that is 21 by 7. And your last number is 4, that is 28 by 7. That is your last number, and that is your first number. Now we can find first 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7, and 27 by 7. That is your 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. 3 and 4, between 3 and 4 you can find your 6 rational number, that is 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7, and 27 by 7. You can also write in the form of your first method, as we discussion about first method. In your exercise 1.1, now we are going to the question 3. Your question 3 is, find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Rational number. Your first number is 5 rational number, 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. 5 rational number means your denominator is 5 plus 1, that is 6. 3 by 5 is your first number. You can write as 3 into 6 multiplied by this denominator 6. 3 by 6 by 5, 3 into 6 by 5 into 6, that is 18 by 30. And your second number is 4 by 5. You can multiply 4 into 6 by 5 into 6, that is 24 by 30. Here 3 by 5, that is 18 by 30, and 4 by 5, that is 24 by 30. It is your last number, it is your first number, which is given as 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. We have to find between these numbers 5 rational numbers, such as 18, next is 19 by 30. That is your first rational number between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5, 19 by 30. Next is your 20 by 30. Next is 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30, and next is your 24 by 30. These are your rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. How many numbers? That is your 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. That is your 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30 and 23 by 30. Now we are discussing about question number 4. Question number 4. State whether the following statement are true. Give the reason for your answer. First is every natural number is a whole number. Every natural number is a whole number. Every natural number is a whole number. That is true, because in natural number we know that n is your natural number 1, 2, 3 and so on, and your whole number is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here these are natural numbers, means every natural number is also whole number. So that is true, since the collection of whole number contain all the natural numbers. Your second is every integer is a whole number. Every integer is a whole number. Every integer is a whole number. That is false. Why it is false? Such as if we take as -1 is a integer but it is not a whole number. -2, it is an integer but it is not whole number. Means -1, -2, -3, these are integers but not in whole number. Your whole number is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Therefore that is false. Such as -2 or 1 or -3 is an integer but not a whole number. Next is every rational number is a whole number. Every rational number is a whole number. Every rational number is a whole number. Every rational number, such as we take 5. 5 is a rational number. This can be written as 5 by 1. It is whole number. It is also rational number. But 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is a rational number because 3 and 2 is an integer and 2 is not equals to be 0. 3 by 2 is a rational number, but it is not whole number. Then we can see that this statement is false, such as 1 by 2 is a rational number, is a rational, such as 3 by 2, such as 1 by 2, such as 1 by 3, such as 4 by 3. All these numbers are rational number, but it is not a whole number. 1 by 2 is a rational number, but not a whole number. Now we are easily see that what is natural number, what is whole number, what is the rational number, and we complete your exercise 1.1. You also complete it. Thank you.